Hello everyone. Yeah, welcome back. So, yeah, today I'll just talk about this ACB. So, how we can get started with ACB, Anypoint Code Builder. Okay. So, for this first two things, yeah, we need to install VS Code. So, we'll be using VS Code as an IDE for Anypoint Code Builder. So to install the Visual Studio Code, if you don't have in your laptop or PC, so you need to just go to code.visualstudio.com/download, and based on your operating system, you can download this and then you can install. And if you don't have Git, so you should also install Git. mm, but without Git also you can get started. But if you install Git, then you can, clone your repo and all. So yeah, so let's get started. I have just installed this and I'll just show. Yeah, so for this, if you see, you can see this Visual Studio Code. If you open, so this is the welcome screen. So first thing, yeah, so once we install the Visual Studio Code, so I have changed the theme here, and it was, I mean, by default it is dark theme. So now I have changed it to light. And what I did, I have installed this Anypoint extension pack. Okay, so you can install this Anypoint extension pack to make it, Anypoint Code Builder option enabled. So once make sure you should install Anypoint extension pack. Otherwise, you can also install one by one, but it's very, uh, tedious. I mean, which one is installed, which one is not installed. So it's better to install Anypoint extension pack. So all the required dependencies which is required for Anypoint Code Builder projects, yeah, it will get installed. And I have installed this post code as well to test my app, Mule app. So yeah, once we installed, then this is the options, right? Yeah. So yeah, once we install this Anypoint Code Builder pack from the extension, so all seven dependencies will get installed, and and I have installed postcode as well to test my code. Okay, so once we install this, then we'll see this ACB options here. So here we have multiple options, right? And create an agent network, design an API, implement an API, and develop an integration. So I'll just show the simple applications how we can create, and then we'll just test. Okay. Then in the next video, I'll just go through with this Anypoint designing an API specification and implementation with this with the help of MuleSoft Dev Agent. Yeah. So what I did, I just installed the VS Code, and after installing the VS Code, I have installed the Anypoint Code extension pack. So all the required dependencies has installed, and I have logged in with my Anypoint platform account and Asim underscore Khan. From here we can, sign, log out and log in. Okay. So once we click and develop an integration, so we'll see uh, this. So I'll just create um, hello mule project, and the project location is C integration, and we'll just create project. So if mule runtime is not installed, then it will just download, and yeah, so now we can see hello mule is created, and all the project structure is, it's same as what we are using in Independent Studio. So we can see src main mule hello mule. So here we can see this UI. So it's getting loaded, and PP component extension. Yeah. So first thing, I'll just add the flow, the main flow. Okay. The main flow I'll add, and then we'll give name as hello mule main flow. It's loading. Yeah, it's loaded. So I have selected this flow, and I'll just rename it as hello mule flow. Okay, so it's quite easy. Now I'll first select the listener, HTTP listener, and we'll add the listener config. It's same as what we used to do in Anypoint Studio. And port I'll keep as 8081. Path I'll give mule welcome. Okay. Now I'll add mm, logger. Enter into main flow. I will set the payload, transform, we'll keep JSON, welcome to explore and learn first SEB project. Yeah, so now it is done. Now I'll run the project, run without debugging. I don't need to debug, so I'm just running it. We can see the output here. So first it will, so you can see this command is being executed, clean package, and first it will build and then will get deployed locally. So let it deploy. Yeah, build successful. Now it's terminal running hello mule. Yes, cluster mode initializing started. Set log level. Yeah, we can see it is deployed. So I'll test this post code. So HTTP localhost 8081 mule welcome. I think this was the path I have given, right? We can check here. Mule welcome. Yeah. So once I send this, we should see welcome to explore and learn first ACB project. This is what we have given this the payload, right? So yeah, this is the project. The first project I have shown you. So yeah, we can also try it out. So three things. First, we need to install VS Code and Git. Okay, and I hope, I mean, you already have Java 17 as well, right? So on VS Code, after installing the VS Code, we need to go to extension pack, and then from the extension marketplace, we can install this Anypoint Code Anypoint extension pack. So if I install this, then all the required extension which is required for the Anypoint Code Builder applications, yeah, it will get installed, all the dependencies. So we don't need to install one by one. So this is the extension pack. So we have to just and make sure if nothing is, getting loaded. So we can go here and then uninstall, and we can verify in under the install option. We should not see anything related to Anypoint code. So once it is uninstalled, then again we need to install, and then we'll give some time. So once it is, dependencies are installed and loaded, so we could see this Anypoint Code Builder, and we can, create our project here using developer integration. If we don't need to, create an API, and we can choose design an API, implement API accordingly. Yeah. So in the next video, I'll just showcase how we can make use of MuleSoft Dev Agent. this MuleSoft vibes coding. Yeah, so happy learning. Hope you like it and you just give it a try. Yeah, thank you. Thanks everyone. Bye.